Denny, you there?
Yeah, I'm here, Captain. How you doing?
Doing great, thanks.
Hey, I know it's been a little while, but the forces to stop us from fishing have been hard at work. Next week, the Gulf Council, which we've all heard of, meets right here in Tampa. They're taking public input at the convenient time of 2:30 in the afternoon on Wednesday.
When none of us have anything we have to do.
Exactly, and you know what's amazing is the Gulf Council has been saying, well, we've been hearing so much from so many people that are pro-sector separation. And what's going on there, for those who aren't really aware of it, is there's a push to privatize our fisheries, our recreational quota, our grouper, our red snapper. They want to take a chunk of it, give it to some private individuals, and try that out, see how that works, and then privatize the rest of it. So people like you and me get to go and rent a share a grouper from Walmart, or we stay at a certain hotel, we get to catch a fish, or we go with a certain charter captain and we get to catch a fish. But our contenders, my Aquasport, kind of worthless for anything but booze cruising at that point. There's still time to stop this. People need to turn out at the Gulf Council meeting Wednesday afternoon. If they don't, they need to at least contact the council. As a matter of fact, I just got the document that the council's putting out. They've actually gone forward with a scoping process for an amendment for sector separation. And guys, there's some numbers in there that about 40% of the recreational red snapper quota will be taken away from the recreational angler and given to private interests. And guess what that means? Our season will be reduced by 40%. So somebody else can fish it whenever they want.
Denny, if people want some more information on the FRA, how do they get in touch with you guys?
They can go to the website, thefra.org, thefra.org, and check it out. There's ways to contact us. Later today, I'll have it updated with this current Amendment 39 and a little bit more information about the council meeting. And you know what, just for all the people who supported the FRA and said, gosh, you've been awful quiet lately, well, I'll share with y'all why. Every time that we put something out on our website, there's Environmental Defense Fund, Ocean Conservancy, they see it right away. They've got millions to spend on lobbying. And I got to tell you guys, they just fly those members up to Washington, D.C., all the people that they're lobbying with, all the people that come to these meetings that support sector separation, they're not doing it on their own dime. They're all being reimbursed for their travel, for their hotels, for their time off even. It's just not fair. And we need to stand up to it. There's 15 million recreational anglers in the United States that fish in saltwater. It's about time that 15 million people stand up and say enough. And with the help of good people like you, I think it's going to happen. But we're just not putting out everything like we used to for the FRA, for the entire game plan, so that Environmental Defense can throw a few $1 million at it with lobbying efforts and try and squish our efforts.
Denny, give out the website one more time.
It's www.thefra.org, thefra.org, Fishing Rights Alliance. Born and bred in Florida and never going to leave.
Thanks, Denny. Thanks always as a call, and thank you for your efforts.
Hey, my pleasure. Thank you for your support. You guys have a great day, and let's go bust some grouper up July 1st.